Let's make arroz con salchichas. This yellow rice dish with sausages comes together in just 30 minutes and is a deliciously hearty meal. We're going to start in a pan with some achiote oil or olive oil if you don't have achiote oil. We'll heat this up before adding our diced sausages. Now, typically this recipe calls for Vienna sausages, and that's what I'm using here, but you could definitely use your favorite kind of sausage to give this your own signature flavor. We will just brown these sausages in our achiote oil until they get a nice caramelized golden brown color all around before adding our sofrito. Now, I'm using these sofrito ice cubes that I make just with any extra sofrito I have, but feel free to use fresh sofrito or store-bought sofrito. Really, anything works. Keep in mind, if you're using ice cubes or frozen sofrito like I am, it will take a little bit longer to defrost and thaw. So once this becomes fragrant, it is time to add our other veggies. So I'm doing a diced bell pepper, some pimento olives, and for spices, we're doing adobo seasoning, sazon, and a bay leaf or two. Then we'll add our rice and get everything evenly coated and mixed together before we add our broth. And I like to just toast the rice with the spices and everything just to get every grain infused. And then we'll add our broth. And you can use chicken broth or vegetable broth. Really, either way works. And we're going to mix everything together again just to get it evenly incorporated before bringing it to a boil, then covering it and lowering it. And we'll just cook for about 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked through. From here, we'll just fluff the rice with a fork and you are ready to serve. This is one of my favorite one-pot meals. I hope you enjoy.